Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ajit Kumar. In this video, we will be talking about Terraform resource behavior. Okay, so normally we know that there is four type of resource behavior in Terraform. So what is that? If you can see here, here is the first one is the create resource. It means that if create resource that exist in the configuration but not associated with the real environment in the object in the state. What is it means? Like first time you are creating any of the resources in the real environment, you are deploying any of the services in real environment in the cloud environment. So this is called the create environment resources. Second one is the destroy resources. Like if you are already done with the test and the functional test and all, and you want to decommission that existing environment, your testing environment. So normally we are running a destroy Terraform destroyer to run that, to remove and destroy the decommission that all the services which is deployed in the real environment. The third one is the update in places. Suppose if you have already mentioned some of the argument in this .tf file and you have updated some of the configuration, in that condition update in places will be occur. Okay, and last one, the fourth one is only that destroy and recreate. Like if you have, like suppose you have deployed any of the vnet, name it with some abc, and you want to rename it to any of that a b c d e f, like that one. So what will be happen, it will be first destroy that existing resource which is deployed already in the environment, and then we'll create a new resource with the new name, whatever we have mentioned in the updated in the configuration file. So let's go with the practical and we'll know that. So friend, let's go and do the practical. So first of all, I will go ahead to my VS Code, and this is my project. Okay, so this is my configuration file. Okay, and this is the version currently I'm using 2.64.0. Okay, and this is my provider, and this is my client secret and the configuration which we'll be using to deploy the workload in the real environment. And this is my network configuration, and this is my resource group configuration. First of all, I will go ahead to the terminal, and very first command I will run that terraform init, and to do the initialization. So basically it will do download the provided plugin and will restore it to the directory path. So finally that initialization got completed. Now I will go ahead and run the validate command, so that makes sure it should not have any issue. So as you can see here, the configuration looks good. Let me clear this one, and now I go ahead and run the terraform apply, or you can run the terraform plan as well. So let me go to run the terraform apply. So as you can see here, just only after run the terraform apply, a tf state file got created. So make sure if anybody asks in at which stage that tf state file will be generated, so we have to say that during the terraform apply, then on that stage only that tf state file will be generated. Okay, so if I go to back to my ppt, and this is the create resource. So the very first thing, as you can see here, this is the create behavior. Since these resources are not available in the real environment, in Azure environment, so this will going to be create that one. Okay, so this is the create behavior. So I will go ahead and confirm, so that it would be going to add that one. So as you can see here, 5 to add. Okay, so it has started creating my resource group, then my network, and also this that public IP along with that VNet and the NIC. So we'll have to wait for a couple of minutes to complete this task. So as you can see here, my 5 resources has been added. Okay, and if I go back and search for that resource, so here you can see this is the resource group which has just deployed, and these are the resources which got created inside that resource group. Okay, so now this is the second one, destroy resources, will be confirmed on the last. Now I will go ahead to this third one, update in place. So suppose if you are having any if I go back to this resource group configuration file, and this is our staging environment, let me make as a prod. Okay, and save it. So and rerun that Terraform apply again, and we'll check what will be happen. So it start refreshing the state, means it start checking all the configuration during the refreshment, because that Terraform tfstat file already has been generated, and all the configuration we have rerun the apply, it will going to check that tfstat file, and then will pop out the print the message. So here you can see here, update in place. What would be the update in place? This is the resource, this is the tag and the environment. Earlier it was the staging, and it is going to be prod. It will be going to be deploying the prod tagging. Okay, so this is update in place behavior, update in place resources whose argument has changed. So we change the argument here in the resource group, tagging from staging to prod, and now it is updating in the place. Let me confirm that one to update that one. Okay, so wait for that to be update. So it has started modifying the name. So I will go back to my resource group. So as of now, the tagging is staging. Let me refresh that one, or I will refresh this page, and here you can see the environment got changed to prod. So this is update in place. Okay, so this is the update in place. Now the next behavior is destroy and recreate. So let me go back to my configuration. So this is my configuration, and I will go ahead to the networking and will do some of the changes. Okay, what I will do, I will make my VM NIC from 2 to 1. Okay, and then we'll save this one network configuration file, and we'll go ahead to this, and we'll reapply this one, Terraform apply again. I will do that, and we'll see what will be happen. So now it started refreshing my tfstat file. Now it shows us, it printed the message, destroy and then recreate, create the replacement. Okay, so whatever the resources is existing, like whatever the existing resources we have modified, like vmnic 2 was there earlier. Okay, so it will be going to destroy that 2 and will create a 1. Okay, so if I go back to my print message, here you can see this must be replaced. Okay, and this will be going to be force replacement from 2 to vmnic 1. Okay, so and here we also showing the destroy and recreate behavior. Okay, let me do the confirmation. Now you can see here the destroying has been completed. First, as I said, it will be first destroy the that existing resources that got destructed. So as you can see here, to my resource group, and we'll check that vnet. Okay, so vmnik, we have changed the name to vm1. Okay, vmnik 1. So earlier it was 2 and we changed it to 1. Okay, to now, so here the destroy resource behavior. So I will run here the terraform destroy, and we'll see. So it is refreshing my state file. It is refreshing all this state, and now if I go to evoke to this print message, and here you can see the destroy. That means this is the destroy behavior. Okay, it will be going to destroy the resources existing in the state but no longer is existing in the configuration. Okay, so it will be going to destroy, as you can see here, will destroy. Okay, so here you can see this behavior destroy, and also in the summary to the bottom you can see here 5 to destroy. So let me do the confirmation, and this is how this real resource behavior work. Okay, so hope this video is really helpful to you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.